If you are dreaming of a career in cybersecurity that's truly global, there's no better place to study than the UK. But here's something most people miss. Not every UK university for masters in cybersecurity is built the same. There are around 124 universities in the UK offering a master's degree in cybersecurity, but only 25 UK universities have been fully certified by the UK's National Cybersecurity Centre or NCSC. That certification isn't just a badge. It's a proof that the course meets strict technical and practical standards recognized by UK's employer, the government, and even GCHQ. So in this video, we'll go through the top 9 UK universities with fully NCSC certified cybersecurity master's program, ranked roughly by global standings. You'll get a full picture, phase, eligibility, course duration, placements, what uniques, and how to decide which one fits you. I'm Hemant and have done my master's from UK Russell's Group University, and over the last decade I've seen how the right university can change your cybersecurity career. Let's begin. Let's start right at the top. UCL. UCL is ranked among the world's top 10 universities, currently at 9th position as per QS World University Ranking 2026. UCL MSc in Information Security is one of the oldest and most respected program in this field, and it has optional modules to select with which you will earn a certificate from National Cybersecurity Centre, which is NCSC. Now this is a 1-year full-time on-campus program. Fees are around £21,500 for UK students and £42,700 for international students. Applicant needs a strong undergraduate degree in either computer science, mathematics or engineering, plus a good programming and analytical skills. IELTS 7 is expected. In this program, you will learn core cybersecurity knowledge through compulsory modules that cover computer security, research in information security, cryptography, and secure data communication, which are particularly sought after skill sets in industries. There are optional modules as well which you can learn. While UCL doesn't include formal internship here, but being in London gives you direct access to global employers from Deloitte and PwC to startups. Also, you will undertake a project during the summer term, and this could be working with the industry partner, which will expose you to the current projects industry is working on. UCL is perfect for students who want world-class research, a powerful brand, and access to the heart of UK cybersecurity. Next, we head to Scotland, the city of Edinburgh, one of the UK's most vibrant tech hubs. The University of Edinburgh ranks within the world's top 30 and offers a 1-year full-time or 3-year part-time NCSC certified master's program that blends deep technical knowledge with privacy, ethics, and governance. Fees are about £17,100 for UK students and £43,300 for international students. Here you will need a 2:1 equivalent degree in computer science or a related STEM field, plus IELTS of 6.5. Modules include secure software design, cryptography, network security, privacy engineering, and trust regulation. Students often collaborate with the security and privacy research group or take dissertation projects co-supervised by companies like AWS and Scottish Government. If you are passionate about both security and privacy, Edinburgh balance of ethics and engineering gives you truly modern edge. From Scotland, we move to the Midlands, to the University of Warwick, ranked inside the global top 80 and the member of the Russell Group Universities. Warwick MSc Cybersecurity Engineering, delivered through Warwick Manufacturing Group, is another fully NCSC certified course and accredited by the British Computer Society. It offers 2 programs, one MSc in Cybersecurity Engineering and second MSc Cybersecurity Management, and both are 1-year program. It lasts 1 year full-time with tuitions fee around £13,040 for UK students and £37,460 for international students. Applicants typically need a STEM bachelor's with solid maths or programming background and IELTS of 6.5. The program mixes security architecture, risk management, cryptography, cyber physical system, and incident response. What makes Warwick stand out is its industry integration. Students tackle live projects with partners like Jaguar Land Rover, Rolls-Royce, IBM, and BT. It's ideal for professionals who want to blend technical mastery with the management perspective. A great choice for future architects or cybersecurity leaders. Next, we head to the South Coast, the University of Southampton, which is a pioneer in cybersecurity education and one of the UK's official academic center of excellence in cybersecurity research. Its MSc Cybersecurity is fully NCSE certified, accredited with British Computer Society, and it's deeply technical. It's a one-year course costing about £10,000 for UK students and roughly £35,000 for international students. Applicants should have a strong foundation in computing, electrical engineering or mathematics plus IELTS of 6.5. Here you can expect an advanced module in network and web security, software security, cryptography, criminology, risk management, machine learning and a research-driven dissertation. While there is no built-in placement, Southampton's employer network includes IBM, BAE System, BT and Airbus, which creates a strong internship and job pipelines. This is the course for those who love the technical side of cyber, coding, system design and research-grade projects. The next is Lancaster University. Lancaster may not be famous as UCL or Edinburgh, but it's a quiet powerhouse in cybersecurity. Its MSc in cybersecurity is fully NCSE certified, BCS accredited and backed by Lancaster status as both an ACE CSC and ACE CSR, meaning excellence in education and research. This is one-year course which costs roughly £12,500 for UK students and £30,000 for international students. Entry requires a computer science or STEM degree and IELTS of 6.5. What makes Lancaster different is its interdisciplinary approach. You will study not just technical defenses but also human factors, digital forensic and governance. Students collaborate with this Security Lancaster Research Center, which partners with GCHQ, the NCSC and regional law enforcement agencies. It's perfect for students who want strong technical foundation combined with an understanding of how cyber threats impact people, businesses and policies. Now heading east, we arrive in York, a historic city with a thoroughly modern outlook. A University of York's MSc in cybersecurity is fully NCSE certified. It lasts for 1 year and focuses on secure system engineering. Fees here are about £13,900 for UK students and £32,900 for international students. To apply here, you will need at least 2:2 honors degree in computer science, engineering or maths with good coding and problem solving skills. Students explore network security, cryptography, secure software design and risk management, and also a dissertation often done with real companies. York's partnership with KPMG, Cisco and UK Ministry of Defence makes it an attractive option for employability. If you want a mix of affordability, rigor and strong job outcomes, York is a solid mid-tier choice. Now we travel across the Irish Sea to Northern Ireland, where Queen's University Belfast delivers one of the UK's most applied cybersecurity programs. Its MSc in Applied Cybersecurity is fully NCSE certified and based at the renowned Centre for Secure Information Technologies. It offers both 1 year full-time and 2 year part-time program. Its 1 year course costs around £10,400 for UK students and £27,600 for international students. Applicant needs a relevant degree in computer science or electrical engineering plus IELTS of 6.5. You will take hands-on modules in applied cryptography, forensic, secure software and pen testing and finish with a major industry project. CSIT ties with Thales, Alstate, PwC and NCSC, which gives graduate direct access to job pipelines. And since Belfast's living costs are almost half of London, this is one of the most cost-effective NCSC options in the UK. It's tailor-made for those who prefer practical labs, real-world simulation and low cost of living. Now again back to England, to Guildford, home of the University of Surrey, another fully NCSE certified institution. Its MSc in cybersecurity offers something many students love, a 2-year version with a professional placement allowing you to gain 6 to 12 months of paid experience. Fees are around £12,400 for UK students and £24,900 for international students. Eligibility: a 2:2 degree in computer science, engineering, maths or physics or equivalent professional experience plus IELTS of 6.5. Its main module includes network security, secure communication, forensics, risk management and a project or placement year. Surrey's industry partners include Airbus, BAE Systems, Microsoft, IBM, Sophos, Sky and many more. It is ideal if you want both academic training and industry exposure, especially if your goal is to stay and work in the UK post-study. Finally, we are back in London with the City University of London, a university that sits at the crossroad of business, tech and security. Its MSc in Cybersecurity is NCSE certified and a great choice for those who want to build their network in London without the ultra premium cost of UCL. The program runs for 1 year full-time with tuition fee around £13,000 for UK students and £24,000 for international students. You will need a relevant degree in computer science, IT or engineering and IELTS of 6.5. City's course covers ethical hacking, cloud security, secure software development and security risk management. Being in London, students have unmatched proximity to employers, Accenture, Barclays, IBM, KPMG and countless fintech companies. Graduates often land jobs as SOC analyst, pen testers or consultant within months. It's a smart career-focused choice for those who want a London education with practical relevance. So there you have it, the 9 UK universities whose cybersecurity master programs are fully certified by National Cybersecurity Centre. Each one offers a different balance. To summarize, go with UCL, Edinburgh, Warwick for high prestige world-class research. Go with Southampton, Lancaster, York for strong academics with moderate cost. And finally go with Queen Belfast, Surrey and City London for practical and career-oriented program. If you want a degree that employers instantly respect, choose one with the NCSE seal. It means your course has been vetted for quality, relevance and hands-on skill development. Drop your dream university and target role in the comments, whether it's becoming a SOC analyst, security engineer or architect, and I'll help you plan the next step. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon, because in my next video I'll talk about scholarship and funding options for cybersecurity students in the UK. Until then, stay curious, stay safe and keep building your cyber future.